In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view favorite photos in Windows 11 and where your favorite photos are stored on your PC. Let's start from the beginning. On Windows 11, your photos are usually opened with the built-in Photos app. This is where the favorites feature lives. So first, open any picture on your computer by double-clicking it. As long as the default app is set to Photos, it should open right there. If it opens in a different program, you can right-click the image, choose Open With, and then select Photos. Once the picture is open in the Photos app, look along the top or bottom toolbar for a small heart icon. That heart icon is the Favorite button. When you click it, Windows marks that photo as one of your favorites. You won't see anything move right away, but in the background, the app is tagging that file so it can be collected into a special Favorites view later. You can go through any album or folder in the Photos app and click that heart on every picture you want to save as a favorite. This is a really handy way to highlight your best shots without moving them into new folders or making copies. The original photos will stay exactly where they are on your drives. They just get an extra tag that tells Windows, "This is important." Now, to actually see all your favorites in one place, open the Photos app directly from the Start menu. Click the Start button, type Photos, and then open the Photos app from the results. Once it's open, look at the navigation area. Depending on your version, you'll see sections like Gallery, Albums, and in many cases, a dedicated Favorites section or filter. Click on Favorites, and Windows will show you a collection of every photo you've marked with the heart icon. You're not moving files here, you're simply viewing them through that Favorites filter. You can open any image from this view, edit it, share it, or remove it from favorites by clicking the heart icon again to unfavorite it. Remember, the actual files are still stored in their original folders, such as pictures, downloads, or other locations you've chosen. The Favorites section is just a smart view that gathers them together. If you don't see a Favorites section, look for a heart filter or the word Favorites inside the Gallery or Albums views. That's all there is to it. By using the heart icon in the Photos app and then opening the Favorites view, you can quickly access your best and most important photos in Windows 11.